Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm very excited to share about something, a kind of new and revolutionizing way for the payments, and which is brought to us by the Solana ecosystem. What is that? This is Blink and Action, and these are revolutionizing the payment infrastructure right now, and I will show you how that works exactly. Let me show you. So this is the platform, which is Solana Blink, and bring crypto to the people with Solana actions and blockchain links. And this is a very clear video. What you have to do is, so if you see this, using this Blink, what you can do is, if you share the link to the people, like suppose you want to onboard someone to the SPX community by telling them that you should buy this much SPX directly through a link. What happens if you just tell them that you should buy SPX to onboard into SPX ecosystem? They will go to some exchange, maybe decentralized exchange, Solana, Jupiter, Radium, whatever. What happens there is they have to search for the SPX, then they have to place the proper contract address, then they have to create wallet, they have to choose the USDT, and then they have to swap. It's very complicated, but this is just one thing in terms of just swapping. Suppose they want to buy NFT, then again it's a very complicated process. So this Blink is, you can actually bind the whole platform in terms of link and just share the link, and they can actually do transaction directly through that link without going to the platform. I will show you this example exactly how does it work. Then I will explain through this website. So this is the Radium, and you could see this is SPX to USDT chart, which seems like it is growing, but I think we are on the wrong chart. We have to just flip it. And right now we are going down. We are sitting at 0.47. And suppose you just wanted to someone to onboard to this SPX community, and you just want to tell them, hey, you can buy SPX directly through this link. So how that will work? So you have to do this USDT, SPX, and then this is very small button, copy your custom referral link and earn 1% rewards when it is used on Twitter with Blink. Let me copy this, and this is very interesting concept. So this is Murad's profile on Twitter, and just let me post this here, not here, directly. See what's happening. This directly comes in. Once you post this, let me go to my profile. See, this is direct link, and people, they can buy directly these SPX without going to Radium. They just have to buy it. Like if somebody want to buy this SPX irrespective of Sol, they can just click one, and then your wallet directly comes in, and you just need to enter your password, confirm, and then you will get the SPX directly into your wallet without going to any exchange. So this is extremely helpful, which actually reduces the friction of onboarding. So this is just one example for the SPX or any swap. You can combine this for the NFTs as well. You can combine with any kind of action over the blockchain. Let's see how this is work on the website and what they are offering. So this is a very small video. Let me play this once again. What they are doing is, let me play. Oh, I think there is some problem here. Let me reload. All right. I'm starting my own blockchain media hub. And they are saying once they have posted, donate to this guy and confirm, and done donating. So basically you can open donation, you can open for NFT sale, you can open for swapping, anything using just link without going to the platform, without being worried about anything. Direct, smooth onboarding, and that is being brought by the Solana ecosystem. This is called as Blink. You can pay in Blink. Very simple. See how powerful it is. Like just take the example of the Murad. So if Murad just places this link into his bio, if somebody want to onboard, just click on this link and buy from here. He will get 1% reward. He can make a lot of money. So if you are a creator, you can leverage this Blink. If you are running any business, if you have some clients, you have some crypto payments, you can use this Solana Blink. That is very powerful for payment collection, and this is going to come very fast into the real world, and these are kind of use cases of stablecoin. This is great. And another protocol which is working in the same line, which is X402. This is another payment protocol, but we will discuss this in the later videos. But you should explore this Solana, this Blink and Action. This is 1 year old, but very unnoticed, this project, and people are using it. So basically you can create link for the any infrastructure, any API, any payment gateway, and people can pay without opening anything, without opening any platform, and they can pay you, and this payment directly come into your wallet. Like I have created this link through Raydium, and this is my wallet. So once you pay, money will come into this. So if you swap, then reward will come into this wallet. Very simple infrastructure, very simple onboarding. Just try it out and let me know into the comment section, like how do you feel about this new technology from Solana ecosystem. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Thank you.